Hello guys, welcome to TVET. I'm Dr. Tifresenu. Today I'm going to talk about vaccination in a sick bed or vaccination in a sick bed. Somebody asked the question that you should not vaccinate a sick bed. I'm going to talk about vaccination in a sick bed. Vaccinating a sick bed is generally not recommended because that's the basic principle in vaccination. You don't vaccinate sick animals. Because their immune system is already weakened and the vaccine may not be effective or could worsen their condition. When to vaccinate your animals or birds, you should only vaccinate healthy birds only, because it works best when given to birds which are in good condition or after recovery. If a bird is sick, wait until it has fully recovered before you vaccinate the animal. And also in preventive cases, for preventive care, vaccination should be scheduled or focus on the disease prevention rather than treatment. You should do the vaccination on time before the animal gets infected. That's the prevention care. That's mostly done in mammals, rabies, in dog, and others. Now let's look at some exception cases, especially in poultry. In high-risk outbreak, in some diseases such as avian influenza, the vet may recommend vaccination exposing the birds even if some are sick. But this requires some professional judgment. Before you can vaccinate a sick bird, it requires professional judgment. And also in some cases of Newcastle, professional vets may recommend vaccination based on the professional judgment, based on the condition of the flock, and also based on a particular kind of vaccine. So it's not just any vaccine that could be used to vaccinate a sick bird. So the best practice in this case is you first isolate sick birds first, then you treat the animal, then you consult a veterinary before vaccination. You shouldn't vaccinate your birds before you consult a vet, especially in a sick case. You should always consult a vet before you vaccinate your animals. And also you should follow the vaccination guidelines, the storage, the dosage, the timing, and all those you should follow them. I know people can just get vaccination from anywhere to vaccinate their birds, but it should be done by the guidance of a professional to avoid any complication. In the video the person shared or the person watched, then farmer was telling other farmers when to vaccinate their birds. In most cases, people just go to the veterinary to get a vaccine without checking the health status of the flock and start giving the vaccine. If you don't check the health status of your flock before vaccination, it might be that some of the birds are sick already. So by introducing this vaccine into their system, they're going to cause more casualties in your flocks. Those who are already sick are going to be under stress, and because of this, it can lead to changes in production. It can lead to increase in stress, and that will affect your flock. So always check the health status of your flock, be guided by a professional vet, and also you should follow the vaccination or the manufacturer's guideline. So in general, you don't vaccinate sick birds, but depending on the condition or to some extent, or there is an exception to vaccinating sick birds. So always seek a veterinary consent before you vaccinate your sick birds. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my YouTube channel, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share and comment. Your questions are welcome. My phone number is down there. Through WhatsApp, you can send me a message or you can call me for consultation. Thank you.